Keeping your soil moderately moist can also be easy. In a mostly bare garden without a lot of organic matter, you need about an inch of water a week to keep the soil at the moderate moistness that most fruit and vegetable garden plants love, which is why it's the most commonly given advice for watering. In many regions, however, the rain will do this for you, especially early in the growing season. But if you don't artificially locate your bed soil high above the ground level, surrounded by warm wood, masonry, or metal on 4 extra sides, which dries it out much faster, don't functionally cut it off from the water table below that naturally feeds it through capillary action, have lots of organic matter in your soil like that provided by cured compost, which holds almost its weight in water, and mulch the exposed top of your soil in between your plants with straw, the soil will stay evenly, moderately moist with much less than an inch of water per week, leaving you not to have to water at all in many areas most times of the year unless it's a drought. If you're ever unsure if your soil is too dry, just stick your finger all the way into it and see how it feels. In areas where you're trying to get seeds to sprout and grow, try to keep it moist throughout until their little root systems get established. So until the plants are, say, 3 or more inches tall. Once your plants are more established, it's fine if it's dry on top, but moist starting, say, 1/2 inch or an inch down. If it's dry 1/2 inch to an inch or more down, likely water. It's not an exact science and depends a little bit on how established your plants are and what kind they are. Some like it a little wetter, some a little drier, but that should get you started.